In front of me is OnePlus 5T, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Bluetooth and device connection. Then select Printing and tap on Add Service to install any service from Play Store, or select the default one by clicking on it right away. Either way, when you're ready, click on this switcher at the top to activate your service. And wait! Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!